It's like a fever dream. When I try to think back to yesterday, it doesn't feel real. It feels like a nightmare.
Traumatized and unable to return home, some residents of a Fayette County apartment complex are still waiting to get back inside tonight.
Yeah, this after an apparent hostage situation turned deadly on Wednesday. It happened at the Woodview Terrace apartments.
Erika Stanish has been following the story and has a message from a local doctor after fire crews returned there last night.
I'm told that incident left behind a significant amount of heat and carbon monoxide, sending fire crews back here nearly 12 hours after flames broke out for reports of carbon monoxide poisoning. 24 hours after a deadly incident inside the Woodview Terrace apartments, the remains from a fierce fire can still be seen.
It was scary. I'm not gonna lie.
Authorities have not said how the fire started, but say a note sent out by a man named Charles Nera said he had 50 gallons of fuel, a gun, and hostage inside his apartment before flames busted out a window, sending black smoke billowing into the sky. Residents had to be evacuated, with some still waiting to return home.
They just said that the 700 building is completely inaccessible.
Wednesday night, Fayette 911 says fire crews were called back to the building to install fans in the windows after reports of carbon monoxide poisoning.
It's a gas that comes from incomplete combustion.
The medical director at Uniontown Hospital is now warning what residents there should look out for, especially within the first 24 hours of going home.
It can be, short of breath, lightheaded, dizzy, altered mental status.
He says carbon monoxide can be deadly, and you shouldn't ignore the symptoms.
Tasteless, odorless, colorless. Some people can just have nausea and vomiting.
Those who live inside the building that deadly incident happened in say they're hopeful the situation will be taken care of by the time they go home.
It's not so much about the carbon monoxide poisoning. It's just I had felt safe there, and then Charlie made it feel not so safe.
We reached out to building management to learn how soon those residents can return and what they're doing to make sure it's safe. We have not heard back. Reporting in Uniontown, Fayette County, Erika Stanish, KDKA-TV News.